Welcome to another AIC off-road video. This is just a quick update on the RC or rough country diff guard that I have on my Cherokee. I just installed this a few days ago. Now when I installed it, I did not need to do a fluid change on my differential, as I've just recently replaced the fluid in there probably, I want to say maybe 500-600 miles ago, so didn't want to go through the process of doing that fluid change. But I did want to get this installed, so what I did is I removed just the 5 bolts necessary to install the unit and then used the new hardware to install it. It took just a few minutes to get it installed. Now, as I was uninstalling the old bolts, it did start to leak just a tiny bit, just got a drop coming out the side here. But as soon as I screwed it back up, I haven't had another single drip. I've actually left it a couple of days just to make sure I didn't get any more drippage on the differential. So definitely something you can do if you're careful. The hardest part was a couple of the bolt holes were gummed up from our TV or RVT, whatever it is, gasket maker. So I had to kind of go and fish those out a little bit, get them cleaned out before I could install the new bolts. This one in particular was my problem child there. So anyways, I definitely think it adds a good look to it. I think it adds some protection. I know there's other ones out there that would provide more protection. My biggest worry is that it interfere with my tie rod, but it definitely, as you can see, would not have any effect on the tie rod there. So not anything I have to worry about. If you have any questions about this, let me know and I'm happy to answer those questions. Thank you.